Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this practice tutorial discuss here, and this tutorial is a use a CATIA software, and soft command is some advanced point is discussed here, and this practice tutorial is very helpful. A beginner, a student learn CATIA software and how to easily drawing this body and how to learn a CATIA software easily. Then this practice tutorial is learn very easily and clearly, and all point is discussed here very easily and clearly. Okay, this view is a multi-section view, and also this is a isometric view is drawing here, and all point is okay. This is a correct, and all point is a discuss here, and this is a all is a correct, and this body is a very looking so nice here, and this is a very useful and helpful any okay. This is a very looking perfect, and this body is drawing very easily. Okay, all side is looking perfect, okay. This is a correct looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, let's start. This body is drawing. Okay, this is a at first drawing a any this. Okay, this is a 2D drawing here. This is a 2D drawing, and all body is perfect, and all body is looking so nice here, and this 2D drawing is 2D geometry is drawing here. And at first this is a axis is 3 axis, first axis, second axis, and third axis, all okay. And some point is discussed here, and this origin point, and this length is 60 millimeter, and this is a 25 millimeter, and this distance between 32 millimeter, and also this is a distance is a 20 millimeter, and this also 20 millimeter, and this is a 40 millimeter, and full height is a 100 millimeter is correct. Okay, all this is a practice tutorial, and this is a very nice. Okay, at first drawing a mechanical design and part. Okay, this is a perfect, and XY plane is okay, and drawing a any this profile is a drawing here, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a this, and also this, and this point is a correct, and this is a this. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect, and also this is a looking very nice. This is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, also this is a perfect, and height and correct. This is a correct. Okay, and this axis is a drawing this point, and this is a correct. Okay, all dimension is a so this is a 60 millimeter is correct, and also this is a 20 millimeter, 25 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a 60 millimeter, 25 millimeter, and this 20, and this 20 and 40, and distance between 32. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a 20, and also this is a 20, and okay, this is a 40 correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. 60. Okay, this is a and also this is a 32. Okay, this is a okay, this is 32 is better. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a 60 millimeter, and okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, and all is perfect, and okay, this is a perfect, 32 is correct. Okay, okay, and this axis is also drawing this, okay, this is a correct, is first, and again drawing a this axis and also this axis, then this axis is drawing, then first and second is all, this is a hide because this is a perfect. Okay, and this body is revolve around this axis, first axis and second axis also hide, and this axis is a perfect, and exit, this is a correct, and drawing this shaft command is drawing, and the select a sketch has be to close, the selected sketch has to be close or to be closed by the axis. Okay, and this thick is a correct, and all is a perfect. This body is looking, preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, all is looking so nice, and this body is a perfect, and this is a hide because all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, and okay, this is a correct, and use a this shading with material, then material is use a metal, and metal is a steel. Okay, correct, and use a this is a right click and property, and this reflectivity is very high, and this steel and rod is correct, this body is a perfect. Okay, this body is drawing, and this is a correct, and this body is very helpful and very useful, this 3D body, and this body is very all dimension and all looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, guys, all point is a discuss, and shaft command is a practice, and this lecture is very important. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.